For clean, healthy cuts, sharpen your blades often with a sharpening stone. Disinfect your pruning tools between each plant to avoid propagating diseases. To do this, dip your tools in methylated spirits. These guidelines will help you to properly prune a tree. First of all, the pruner must be positioned so that the cutting blade is on the inside of the tree, on the part of the branch that will not be removed. Also, always cut 1/5 of an inch, 5 mm, above the eye. This will help the callus cover the wound cleanly. To keep the nearby bud from rotting or freezing, cut slightly slantwise to ensure that rainwater drips off and doesn't sit on the cut. Pay particular attention to where the last bud is placed on the branch. If the bud is facing inwards, your shoot will grow towards the trunk and vice versa.